back at the racetrack, and look at what showed up. I was lazy and I gave this to somebody else, but oh yeah, the little midget RC car is done. How good is that? Oh yeah, that is so rad. It rolls so nice, it's trying to roll off the car. But driver's meeting is going on. We are at Putnamville USAC show today with the sprint car, and I gotta go to the driver's meeting. We are rolling up to the track for practice.
GoPro issues. So this is qualifying. Chuck's holding the camera in the grandstands.
Qualifying. We ended up 18th quick. Track was going away, so we're rolling up to see what they're doing to the track. Got the equipment out there. We're in heat race number 2. We started on the outside front row, so we tightened the car up a bunch, but need to keep an eye on the track to make sure we didn't go too much. We went and looked at the track, and they did a full rework, so track was super slick. I think the boys put 3 bars in it, softening the car up, change stagger, right rear wheel offset. So probably gonna have to take that 96 dub off. But start on the front row. Be nice to pick up a heat race win.
Even just in 8 laps, you have to change your mind a lot. How quickly are things changing out there?
Well, fortunately enough for me, it was rip the lip, just like I like it. Hats off to my guys. This thing didn't run that great at Paragon, and they took it to the dyno, worked on it. It's getting better. Didn't qualify the way we wanted to, but hey, we picked up a heat race win because of it. And I just want to thank everybody for coming out in the grandstands, everybody on Flow. Couldn't do it without you guys.
Thomas Mezger on the class of the field there.
Well, we picked up a heat race win, so that is awesome, because with USAC, you get a couple rows. Like, we were 18th quick. We should start in the top 10 now, so that is huge. Got my guys working on the car. Not sure what they're gonna do, but as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So we're over here trying to get Tmez safe, and thanks to Jan Burton. Jan has been helping me out on the channel. He's just a big fan of the channel. He's got a street legal Silver Crown car, and so somehow or another, this is like 7 years out of date. God bless America. But it's time to update. So where do you work?
Carbon Safety Technologies.
I knew I wasn't gonna say that right, so go check Jocelyn out of Carbon Safety Technologies. She's getting me a hybrid.
Yep, Hybrid Pro Light.
Hybrid Pro Light, carbon fiber, all the good stuff. So I'm kind of excited about that because apparently this thing's junk.
The famous 4-wide salute from TmezTv rear bumper cam. Oh yeah, National USAC sprint cars. Me and the boys out here doing our best to put on a show for you.
Got shoved down into the infield on lap fucking 1. Some nights are better than others.